Alright, so basically, in order for you to make Black Lives Matter, it's very simple, it's very easy. It's just to acknowledge that black people exist and support them in ways that they need to be supported. I'm not talking about giving hands out, like, give me no help, no hands out. But, you know, if you can help, then help. But don't do it in a, like a, what's the word? Like, here's the thing, right? It's just basically adding value to their life when you know, like, if they happen to be black, they happen to be black. If they, you see what I mean? Like, I don't know how to explain it other than that. Like, if you click the link in the description box below, it says become a member of the Thealkebulantrust, you would get access to online courses such as, you know, career and business. Because in career and business, what's going to happen is you'll know what your true passion is, you know what your true personal mission on earth is, you know, aka your purpose. So what will happen is, in that situation, if someone needs help and you've got the resources, then it's about saying, alright, boom, I can help them get to that next level. Do you see what I mean? So even if it's like, I don't know, let's just say you're a non-black person and you're financially well off and all that stuff there, and then you're a business person as well, or an investor. It's about, well, let me see what black businesses I can invest in, and it's something that you've got to have passion. Obviously, you're a business person, you want to make money as well, but it's about, you know, it's all, there's levels to it. Do you see what I mean? But that's about knowing your personal mission on earth, aka your purpose. It allows you to put yourself in a position where you're all good. Do you see what I mean? Regardless if they end up being black or not. But there's another side to it. There's levels to it. That's what. All I'm going to say is, to make Black Lives Matter, you have to identify with the problems that exist within the black community, and it's about helping solve those problems, more or less. You get it? But not in a condescending way, or in a way where it's a savior complex. It's just doing you naturally, if that makes sense. But anyway, click the link in the description box below, which says become a member of Thealkebulantrust, so you can get access to the online courses to do with career and business, and a whole other host of courses that, you know, help with the idea to make black lives really matter. If you've got any questions, any topics you'd like for us to discuss in our videos, leave that in the comment section below. And remember, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification, because you never know, the video you suggest might just be next.